First of all, when Dr. Resham shared this idea with me, it took me back to actually when I was doing my nurse practitioner clinical in sick kids. There was a dedicated coordinator who used to work with the parents of the dying babies. And she used to keep the memories of clothes. She used to make the small molds. And I have always thought that we are much far away from working on these domains because we are anyways much involved in all the clinical and operational stuff. But when Dr. Resham shared this, I was like, oh, finally we are starting on this journey with little steps, but at least we are starting. So definitely I gave her the trust that we'll do it. Let's start to work. So first of all, we contacted Faiza Jamal from NFST. And there was a lot of, because this was a very new idea, so there was a lots of apprehension, and also there was a question, if Peak started this, then Eagle would start this, and then what will happen, because we know there are resources, and myself and Dr. Resham were adamant that whatever will happen in the given resources, and without charging to the patient. So there was a lot of discussion going on, but then we also reviewed patient bills, and we came to actually the patient bills, the meal tray is not being charged separately. It is part of the bed charge. So if the patient is NPO, it is there already in the bed charge. So that was a go-to point for us. So that actually helped us, and then we convinced Faiza, and I'm so thankful to Shamim that he also agreed with the idea. He permitted, and then I said, "Baat ho gayi, Faiza, let's move on." So then IT Salma is here. She is the one from Kashif Siddiqui's team. And she actually, I would like to show you this screenshot. So at the moment, that in the system, we can only enter the regular diet or NPO or the diabetic diet. So they actually help us to make this provision in the system. You can see bereavement tray. So that is an additional option that was being developed in the system by the support of IIT. Thanks a lot, Salma, for helping us with this. And so now what happens when the faculty decides that this family is, we have to offer the tray to the family, the order is written, nurses tell this to the UR enters it into a system, and NFST sends it. If it is a regular meal tray time, it will come from them. If it is not, that the unit PCA will go and will bring the tray to the bedside. And this is not as a regular diet order that will run auto, so it has to be entered every time. So I'm so thankful to all my team, actually the resident faculties, nurses, IT, NFST, receptionists, everyone actually came together to assure that we are able to do this. And I think this is a very small initiative, but trust me, this is the feeling that we are giving to the families, that we understand their situation and we are standing with them in this difficult time. So thank you. Thanks a lot, Dr. Resham, for bringing this, and we are excited that more to come, and thanks a lot for your support.